Hey, what's up YouTube? It's been a while since I haven't posted a video because I didn't have anything to post it, anything to show you guys. So finally I got something already open, but so you guys can have kind of an idea of what it is, like the size of it. It's just sitting over there, dirty. Just don't mind my car, it's really dirty. Don't have any problems with the valve cover gaskets leaking again still, and it's worse, so I haven't been driving for the past couple of days. So now today is time to remove this and install the new one. So we're gonna go from this to this. Let's see what I need to remove over here. Oh no, I remember. The only thing, I'm gonna lose the lights over here. I had a mesh in front of the grill, the old grill, but it didn't came out that nice. Like looking from the side, it's not even, you know, but it did the job for a while. But it was time to put something different, something better. So let me grab the tools. So let's remove this. Really? Try this again. I couldn't find the right bit for this. Careful not to drop these. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to use this anymore. It's fine. Got plenty of places that I can use those. Alright, now it's gonna be fun. Alright, got it. So now cut this. I can always connect it again anyways. I'm not worried about those that just fell off. Okay, so now I can grab the new one and put it in. I had to make a little cut over there. I hope you can see with this tool, whatever it's called. I don't know the name of this tool. A little cut there and there, just so we'll go through, and then it wouldn't fit like right over there. It was like going like sideways. I don't want that, so now it'll fit nice. Hope you guys can see. And then you can fold it so it won't come off. Hope you can see. Now over here, all you do, just lift it and the holes match, almost match. So I'm gonna be able to use these ones again. Oh yeah, totally different. Just don't mind the poop. I did have to make like a little bit bigger the hole, so I'll be able to fit all of them. Because like then this one was a little off, but now it fits nice. Pretty good material. I don't know what it is. I thought it was gonna be fiberglass, but it does not seem to be. Let me close the hood and see how it looks like. Oh yeah, so much better. More aggressive, I would say. It does fit pretty nice. What you guys think? Let me know.